everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. It's been like 6 months or like a year probably since my last post, and I'm sorry. I'm going to be posting more often and more frequently because I have nothing else to do in my free time. For today's video, we are going to be trying out. We're going to be making a glow lotion. I've seen this online, I've seen this all over YouTube. It's kind of like the Fenty Beauty dupe for her body lava. So we're just gonna try it out. Okay, so first what I'm gonna be using is this Nivea Skin Milk lotion. So any lotion will do. It's fine. And then I'm gonna be using this You Glow Girl highlighter from JCat, and it's cracked, which is good for me because we're gonna be mixing this into this. They're pretty affordable, they're not that expensive, and they're nice. And I'm wearing this highlighter right now. You see this glow? You see this glow? Get on it. I'm gonna be taking this highlighter lotion. So I'm just gonna put it on my hand. That's really liquidy. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take a piece of the highlighter and just kind of sprinkle it on. So it looks like this. I'm just gonna mix it in. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh, but it's pretty. It's really pretty. Okay. So I'm just gonna start rubbing this all over my arms. Okay, let's start here. Ooh. Wait, let's compare. She glowing. Okay, I look a bit orange, I think. Well, we'll see how this turns out once I'm done with the whole thing. Ooh. Like compared to... Okay. Like compared to this side? Girl. Let me get the chest. Neck, chest area. Like a nice kind of glow. I don't know if... I'm not sure if it looks good, but you can definitely tell a difference. This one's just like glow central. This one's just kind of like meh. I'm gonna put it on this side, but look at... This is a cheap ass hack. Okay. Any lotion, any highlighter will do. Ballin' on a budget. That's what we do. That's what we do. Let's... Ah! I love this. Let's get it in there. J-Lo who? Now, look at... I feel so... Yes. Hit me at all the right angles. I'm glowing. I'm Edward Cullen. I'm a vampire. Twilight. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. This is insane. I'm like right in front of the window. The window. Oh my god, my hands. I mean, if you wanna glow, if you are going to the beach, I recommend doing this if you're going to the beach. If you really want this kind of glow, like healthy looking skin. She's glowing, she's healthy, but really she doesn't drink that much water. It's just fake, but it looks nice. I feel like this would look really good in pictures, but I'm not sure if it if it looks crazy on camera, or I don't know. I look so glowy and healthy. So lotion and highlighter. Lotion and highlighter. That's all you need. I'll list the price down below for this highlighter, this specific one. These two. That's it. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed watching that video. Comment down below on what you want to see next. Just let me know. Alright guys, so bye. I'll see you guys soon.